Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save your Excel workbook as PDF. In order to do that, I have prepared an employee table here, and when I'm going to print it, as you can see, every margin and padding is ready to be printed in fine way. Going back, and now let's save this Excel as PDF. How to do that? We have to save the file first, and after we save the file, we have to save it as. We have two ways to do that. One is from File section. We're coming from the left menu to save as, clicking this, or we can press from our keyboard F12 and open the window of Save As, F12, and from here I'm gonna save my Excel book as PDF on my desktop. From the down menu, as you can see, we have Save As Type, Excel book, not this. We have to choose PDF extension. As you can see, I have chosen it, and I'm gonna name it employeestable.pdf. Okay, save it. And as you can see, our Excel workbook now is as PDF, exported and saved well. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.